Hi guys, welcome back. This time I made it to Firenze, or Florence as we pronounce it in English, and I cannot wait to see what this city has to offer. One of the main attractions here when visiting Firenze is to go inside the Cathedral of Santa Maria di Fiore. This is a free entry, even though the lines must be huge on the day that you come to visit. Don't let them to put you off, because they are very quick. There's plenty of space inside. And here in Piazza di San Lorenzo you have what was proclaimed by the Medici family as their own church. Time to walk now towards the Piazza del Palazzo Vecchio. So after being in power for 200 years, the Medici family is pretty much powerful today. Still, this is due to the fact that around the 14th century, when Anna Maria de' Medici became the last of the Medicis because she bare no children, she wrote down on her will that all these sculptures, this art, these landmarks, and everything that existed under the name of the Medici could be part of the city of Florence, could belong to Florence, but had the only exception of never being able to be sold. From Piazzale Michelangelo to Ponte Vecchio, this is how the evenings end here in Firenze. Alright, so after this amazing pasta cooking class here in Florence with Marco, where we learned to do ravioli, tartallini, the Queen of Florence, within so many other types of pasta, it's time to say goodbye to Tuscany and move on to the next destination. So this was it for this week. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you on my next trip.